In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. If you've accidentally removed a picture and want to bring it back, the good news is that Google Photos makes this process pretty simple as long as the photo is still available in the trash. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to tap so you can restore your image quickly and safely. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you're in the correct account if you use more than one Google account, because deleted photos will only appear in the account where they were originally stored. Once the app is open, give it a moment to load your library so everything is up to date. Next, go to the Collections section. This is where Google Photos groups together different areas of your library and gives you access to additional folders and tools. If you're not sure where to find it, look along the bottom navigation area of the app and tap Collections to continue. Once you're inside Collections, look for the trash icon and tap on it. The trash is the place where recently deleted photos and videos are temporarily stored before being permanently removed. This is important because if a photo is still in trash, you usually still have a chance to recover it without needing any extra tools. After opening trash, you'll see the deleted photos currently available for recovery in Google Photos. Browse through the items carefully and find the image you want to restore. If you deleted several photos recently, take your time here so you choose the correct one. It can help to look at the thumbnail, date, or any visible details to confirm you've selected the right photo. When you find the image you want, tap to select it. This opens the photo and prepares it for recovery. At this point, double check that it's the exact image you want to bring back, especially if you're restoring an important memory or a photo you plan to use right away. Finally, press restore. Once you do that, the photo will be returned to your Google Photos library. In most cases, it will also go back to any albums or device locations associated with it, depending on how it was originally stored and synced. And that's it. That's how to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. If the image is still in trash, this method is the fastest and easiest way to get it back.